Akanksha from Bhartiyam International School, and today again I'm here with something very creative, that is homemade jewelry making. I hope you like it. For this we required concentration and patience. So let's make it together. We have different types of ornament, but today which we are going to make is a clay ornament. So here you can see I'm having different colors of clay. You can see neon green, brown color, red color, this we have blue color, and the most important, white color, as this is going to be a base of an earring. We'll make a clay earring, and second we required jump rings, as we have a small size of jump rings, so we'll make a jump rings of this. We'll make a jump rings of this, these pins, and these are ear bags. These are ear bags which we are going to paste with this super glue, you can see, and two circle shaped mold, as I have taken a lid of a bottle. First this, और एक उससे थोड़ा छोटा, like this. As we have this roller board and roller pin, so firstly we'll take this white clay. I have taken a white clay and I'll cut this clay with the help of this cutter. I'll cut this much of clay, as this much is sufficient for a pair of an earring, and I'll keep this aside. Now I'll start making a ball, a round ball, with the help of a hand, and I'm making this in round shape. You can see it's done now, and do remember this while making an earring, while using a clay, or while making any of the jewelry. First you need to wash your hands, otherwise the clay will get dirty. So it's ready. Now pat it, and now I'll use a roller pin for making this flat. You can spread the clay like this with the help of a roller pin. See? Now I'm going to take a different colors of clay, as I have taken a blue clay, and I'll cut it a piece of a clay, and I'll make a little piece of it. You can see, and I'll put it over it. Some more you can cut. बहुत ही छोटे छोटे से pieces we need to paste over here. And now I'm going to take another color of a clay. And again I'm going to cut a little piece of it and I'll cut it into a small piece. इसके छोटे छोटे pieces जैसे हमने blue के cut किए थे, same like that we'll cut of this red. And one more. For cutting, precision knife is better than cutter, but as I told you, it's not available in the market, so I'm using this cutter. Same like that, I'll take another color of clay, as I'm taking this green color, and in a small amount I'll take this clay and I'm going to cut this also in a small piece and I'll place here. We require small places of these clay. आप इन्हें कहीं भी spread कर सकते हो इन small pieces को. You can spread it anywhere where you want. Little more. Yes, it's done, I guess. I'm thinking to have one more color, but it's quite similar with the red color. I'm talking about the color brown, but let's see how it works. I'll use this much only. This is sufficient. इसको ज़्यादा नहीं, but हाँ only few. I think 4 pieces are sufficient. Otherwise हमारा ये पूरा white cover हो जाएगा. This is enough. So now it's time to put roller pin over it. So let's make it. Very softly, very gently you need to do this. You need to put it very softly, very gently. Only this much. Yes. Now this is ready. हमारा base ready हो गया है. Our base is ready now. You can see how beautiful. It's looking lovely. So now we need to cut this. अब हम इसे cut करेंगे. For cutting, I have taken a lid of a bottle as I shared you. I've taken a cap, cover, and I'm keeping it here. We need to cut 2 circles. इसमें हमें 2 circles cut करने हैं. And one I'm placing it here. You need to check that it should be equally placed and press it firmly. थोड़ा सा इसको रोटेट करेंगे and another side will have this same and press it firmly and it's done. Secondly, we will take a lid of another bottle. इससे छोटा size लेंगे, okay? And center में we'll keep this, and again it should be equal. Place it equally and press it very gently, and here also, and press it. Now remove this. अच्छे से रिमूव करेंगे. Here it is, and I'm keeping this aside, and you can see this, and with the help of this cutter I'll try to remove this. बहुत ही आराम से निकालना है हमें, अदरवाइज इसकी शेप खराब हो सकती है. Yes. And seeing this also, we'll remove it with the help of this cutter. We'll remove this also, and keep this aside, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. But before making them dry, I'm thinking to make it more colorful. So इसको हम, जो इसका पार्ट बचा था, इसको हम स्टड्स में यूज करेंगे, एंड अपर पार्ट के लिए विल टेक अनदर piece of clay. But before taking red, I'm thinking to mix with blue color. So let's keep this red aside, and I'm going to take this blue color. I guess ये ज़्यादा इसके साथ मैच करेगा. So I'm going to take this blue, but before cutting it, I'm going to place this earring, part of an earring, in this plate, and the remaining part of an earring also here, so you can see. Now let's take a piece of clay, blue color. I think we required more. Now again make a circle of it, by using both the hands. Now you all can see, here it is. Fine. Now pat it and use a roller pin. जैसे आपने पहले यूज किया था, same like that. We'll use this. Yes, this is sufficient. Now this is ready. Now we need to cut 2 circles. So I'm taking a lid of a bottle. You can see, you can use these caps, and I'm keeping it here. Press it gently, same like that. ये हमने साथ ही साथ में रिमूव भी कर लिया है. And cut another one. Here also it's ready. See, now I'm going to put this into here. Now you can see. You can see this. ये हमारा base almost ready हो गया है. Now we need to attach the jump rings and ear bags. So you can see, ये हमने जो studs के लिए एक side किया था. So I'm thinking to add a brown color with this. So I'll cut this clay and again with the hands I'm going to make this round in shape. It's ready, and pat it now, same like that we did before. We'll use a roller pin and make it little flat. Yes, this much is fine. Now we need to cut 2 circles. So I'm going to take small cap. I have taken a small cap, you can see, and I'm going to place it here and one more cut, and very gently you can remove this. And I'm taking a plate and with the help of the cutter, ये आपको बहुत ही आराम से रिमूव करना होता है, अदरवाइज इनकी शेप एज आई शेयर्ड की खराब हो जाती है. सो ये जो हम स्टड्स बनाने वाले थे, आप इनको कैसे भी करके प्लेस कर सकते हैं, आइदर हियर और हियर, बट आई एम thinking to put like this, and same like that we have another one, and sorry, this also I'm going to place it here. Now you can see, now see this. Nice. Now I'm going to put hole with the help of this wire. I'm taking this aluminium wire and I'm going to make a hole here and here. Same like that, we need to hole here and here. It's done now. Now make them dry. I'm going to keep this in a microwave for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also place these earrings in a microwave just for 10 to 15 minutes, जिससे ये थोड़े tight हो जाएं, stiff हो जाएं. Fine. Now after putting these earrings into a microwave, now it gets ready. You can see अभी थोड़े hard हो गए. You can see this. Now they are quite hard. So after this we are going to place these jump rings into it. You can see we made this jump rings by these pins. We made these jump rings, and you can also make this, or you can purchase it as it is not available in the market. These jump rings of 7 mm, you can take it from the market of 7 mm. So now we need to place this into an earring. Now I'm going to put this jump ring into an earring. Put it very gently, very nicely. Now I'm going to take another part of this earring, the blue one, as you can see. अब हमें इसको थोड़ा सा टाइट करना है, पीछे से इसको लॉक करना है. We need to lock this जिससे ये इसमें completely attached रहे. This is quite difficult. This part is quite difficult, but still we need to do this. Now I'm taking this plier. With this help will make it fixed. इस plier की help से मैं इसको थोड़ा सा fix करूँगी, so that it will not get opened. So everyone, earrings are ready. You can see जैसे हमने बड़े earrings को fix किया था, same like that हमने इन्हें भी fix किया है. With the help of the plier, मैंने इसको fix किया. Now you can see they all are ready. So now I'm going to place earbags behind that. अब मैं इसमें earbags paste करूँगी with the help of the super glue. So now I'm going to take super glue, you can see, and going to put a little amount of super glue in it. बहुत थोड़ा सा हमें यूज करना है, and हमें earbags लेने हैं. You can see earbags, और इनको हमें इसके पीछे पेस्ट करना है. Yes, you can see how nicely it gets fixed. See, okay, and इसको हम कैसे लॉक करेंगे? We have a lock also. Now you can see हमने इसमें बैक